Give me 24 hours and I'll show you how to get real business leads today using AI, without ads and without sounding desperate. This works for any service. First, let's have I build you an irresistible offer. In ChatGPT, type, create 5 irresistible offers for my business. Describe your service, target customer, and the result you deliver. Pick one offer that's easy to deliver fast, like a free 10-minute AI lead audit. Next, create a lead magnet. Tell ChatGPT to write a one-page checklist for your industry with 3 common mistakes and 5 quick wins. Copy that into a Canva doc or Google form. Now, let's get you leads. Reach out to 30 people today, 10 warm, 20 cold. For warm leads, just ask if they want your free audit. For cold leads, find them on Google Maps and send a super short personalized message. Comment your industry below, and I'll generate your scripts for free.